Okay, this is the miniature Rudy block penetration. It's done in Egyptian. That's some of the decor on it. And the block is gold, and it's got some Egyptian scarabs on it. The bottom on this has got a felt on it, which you don't show. So in doing this, hold the block at the top and hold this at the front. This will, and push this lever like that. In other words, see that way, and you're going to push it that way. That puts the lock out in the shaft. And then you just place this in, and you place the wand in the top. Come on. Where the heck is it? I think there it is. And the wand in the bottom. Then the only thing left to do is to make the penetration. The block is, the audience thinks the block's up top. It will drop down to the bottom, and you can see now the wand it's penetrated the wand. Take that one out, and it is hooked onto the bottom. You take that wand out, and the block is penetrated to the bottom. Made a couple of improvements on this over Rudy, because part of the problem was that the front piece, which is held on by a magnet, was very difficult for it to separate. Didn't go down as easy as it should. So I added a tapered shim on either side. So what happens is, when you push this in, you're holding this, and that keeps it steady. And when it gets to the top, like that, get it in there in the right place there. There it is. Oh, now it's going to make a liar out of me. Here. And hold that like that. That keeps the lock in the right position. And yeah. So then when you drop it in like that, it will keep the front piece out, and of course the other one's already dropped to the bottom, and you put your wands in, and then to release it, you're just going to push that in slightly, and it's going to drop right down. And you want to make sure that the block that's down in there is to the back, so you just got to move that around a little bit. But then once you do that, and this positions itself real good over the front, and I pinstriped this so it just looks like one piece, I think. So anyway, that's the Rudy block penetration, excuse me. And the wands are matching, and they have the gold tips on them. Okay.